Hey everyone, it's Scott Ferguson, the Lake Guy, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on our new search functionality that I think you'll really like. I'm just going to go ahead and pick a state here, and I'm going to use Massachusetts for the example. And click on Search Homes, which will bring up the map feature. And you'll see right away that it not only includes Massachusetts homes, but it also includes some neighboring properties, which is always the default. But if you only want to see the state you're on, just click on this button, show only Massachusetts results, and it'll just give you the state you're in. One of the key features that I want to talk about later is this Save Search feature, which I think you'll really like. But for now, I want to show you some other filtration criteria that we've added. At any time, I know a lot of you like to just go to a quick search, either by town or by county, so you can do that here. But I think one of the most popular searches is just to take your current zip code and then say, okay, I want to be anywhere within, say, 50 miles of that zip code. And as soon as I do that, you'll see that it draws a radius around that center point, which was Mansfield that I highlighted, and it only shows me those properties. So right now there's 106 homes there. Now we have a bunch of other filters that are really fast to use. So let's say I'm not interested in condos or land, and I only want direct lakefront. So right away you'll see that it dropped down to 76 homes. And by the way, that's always a live count, so you can watch that as you click off this criteria. So I'm going to put in a price range between 300 and 500, and you'll see that drop me down to 18 homes. I only want powerboating lakes, that dropped me down to 14, and I only want anything that has over 2 bedrooms. So that dropped me down to 8 homes. So you can go in and change this criteria to anything you want, and it's really fast to filter any kind of state lakefront properties that you're interested in. So at any given time, you can just say, show me these homes, and it'll jump right to those 8. So you can go ahead and click on those and get more detail. Hitting the back button will bring you back to your search you just had. But here's the best part. If that's a criteria that you feel that you want to have notifications of in the future, when anything meeting that criteria comes on the market, then you can go ahead and just save that search. So I'm already logged in as myself. If I wasn't, it would prompt me to log in or register for auto search if you haven't already. So if I hit Save Search, I'll just say Mass Test here and save that. And that's done. So the nice part about that is if I go up here to my searches, you'll see that this mass test is here and it's showing us the properties. Now keep in mind, the best part about our auto search feature is that you can set up as many searches as you want. There's no limit. So if you want to set up a search in New Hampshire for a higher price, in Rhode Island for a lower price, or different criteria, go ahead and set up 3 or 4 different searches. There's no limit to that. At any time you can view all your matches here, or if you want to go back to that criteria, it'll jump right back to the map if you click on that search function. So at any time you can, and also let me show you that you can, if this gets a little confusing with all the lakes being shown, go ahead and click on Hide Lake Markers, and now you're just seeing the properties themselves. And again, hovering over a property allows you to get some minimal details, and you can even click on it from here to see the full details right here. And the backspace will bring you back again. So I hope that helps. That's the bulk of the features in this new search function. Go ahead and play around with it, and if you have any feedback, just give me a quick email. All right, talk to you soon.